Right, well, good morning all. It is Monday, it is bloody cold. What is it? In fact, I say this, it's only 0 degrees. I had a friend in Canada, hi Chris, by the way, if you're watching this, and he was showing me his phone, which has got, what temperature is, minus 32. That temperature shouldn't exist. So yeah, that sounds hideous. So I feel a bit bad saying it feels cold at 0 degrees. I think for Canadians it's probably t-shirt weather that. But yeah, we're off to Durham this morning. We've got a kind of agri malarkey stuff. That's the technical term. Obviously I only ever use technical terms. It's like a black powdery, I don't know. I'll show you when I tip it all out. It's heavy. It's very dense. Whatever it is. It's only quarter filled the trailer, and that's me completely full. I think I was only half a ton under when I weighed out on Friday afternoon. So yeah, this is actually a load that we've carried on from last week. That's all good. Yeah, so I think we're going to have a good day. It's already started off quite good. It's nice. I know I mentioned it in a few videos ago where Dent wasn't feeling homely. It was too big, but since then I've started to kind of meet different people who I do recognise, and I've started to get to know. Some of them I know them on through Instagram and so on and so forth. But it's nice to start to have people that I recognise and people that I'm starting to get a bit more friendly with. So yeah, no, that's good. It's very good. But either way, right. I think we need to head towards Durham, and if I'm honest with you, I'm also going to get a chocolate muffin as well, because I've not had breakfast, and this is about the easiest thing I've got to eat so far, and it's delicious. It's always a good thing. The Satnav has crashed. I haven't realised it's crashed, so I've been merrily driving up the A1, not a care in the world. Now it's working. See, it's alright you saying all this now. What I need you to tell me was 20 minutes ago when I passed the frigging junction. So, yeah, I'm now having to drive back along the same road I've come. Annoyingly, I think it has put me about 20 minutes behind. So Monday's off to a slow start. Oh, bloody hell. What can you do? Right, so Satnav says that we're heading down this road here. Site entrance. Site entrance to what? Skip hire. Verdis. Oh yeah, this is it. No admittance to the public. Don't think I'm classed as public. So, excuse the fact that the windows look like they've never been washed. The amount of salt on the road, it's caked it. Absolutely bloody caked it. It does look crap, doesn't it? But yeah, the mirrors are the same as well. I know you can't see them, but they are. HGVs only. How the friggin' hell are you expecting to get in there? Is this place only open at 9 or something? I don't know. don't see a weighing in bridge. HE's full of weigh bridge signs. Other visitors reports of reception. Well, how do he get in? I think we're going to have to go and have a bit of a wander around. Right, well, we eventually found the place, which is always good. This door, look at this bloody thing. Look, it does not ever want to shut properly. It is doing my head in. I put a few things on the defects, which I have. We've replaced that, which is one of the things I put my defects on Friday. Unfortunately, the other one was that door, and that hasn't been done. Oh well, what can you do about it?
Hello.
Good morning, sir. How are we doing?
All right then.
I'm done at wherever I am. I can't remember now.
Well, have I not sent it to you? I don't know. I'm right up to Scarborough, mate.
What, your waste?
Yeah, your waste.
And then down to UPM, is it?
Right. For sure. Give us a shot with your weight, Paul, when you get it on, eh?
Right, no worries. Alright, thanks, mate. Bye.
Thanks, Tom. Stay on it.
Well, another driver's nicked my spot, which is a bit of a... So I'm having to park alongside him because there's nowhere else to park up. The only thing is, once he's gone, I'm going to be looking like an absolute prat who's just not able to park, and that's not the case. But so yeah, I've got like 15 minutes left, which I have pushed it a bit more than I'd like to. But we're all good. And look, even being good, I've got a salad. I mean, I've had like 2 chocolate muffins this morning, so. Right, so I'm just having a look at what the plan for tomorrow is. It has changed by the looks of things. Now, according to TomTom Satnav, now this is without traffic, it reckons we'll be arriving in at about 6:15. I reckon that's probably going to be wrong. It probably won't be. If it was 7:15, I won't be surprised. And then it does take a little while to get tipped inside. And what the plan was for tomorrow was to go to Telford. That's now changed. We're going to Runcorn, which isn't actually that far away from D-side. In fact, it's really just a hop, skip and a jump from there. And it means I can go to one of my favourite truck stops, which is Formula Services. It is, and if I do get to go there, I'll do some video footage. But if not, it is the most hideously garish and it's just, bless whoever's come up with the plans of kind of like designing it, because it's and I do say this with love, because I do love the place. It is a bit tacky, if I'm honest, but the night rates are good. They've got nice showers and really nice meals, and yeah, I mean, just everyone seems very friendly there. It seems just all around like a really nice place, but it's very red. And anyone who's a trucker who's watching this, who's been there, will know exactly what I'm talking about. It's very red. If we do go, I'll show you, and if everyone will be like, yeah, it's very red that. Just a little after 2 hours, I think 2.5 hours that would be sat, unfortunately, so it's been a bloody long wait. Just gonna try and get this stuff out as fast as possible. And then hopefully we can go and park up and have a bit of a kip, because I am absolutely knackered. Right, all good. Yeah, I probably should do a bit of an outro, shouldn't I? Oh. So, it's been a long day. It's been a good day, but it's been a very long day. Going to Runcorn tomorrow. That should be quite fun. Go and see what we're going to do there tomorrow. But as for today, I think that I'm going to call it quits. Definitely time for some sleep. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Let us know if you think the video is good or not. Honestly, at this point, I just don't care that much. No, no.